Hey everyone, welcome back to Colourful Indian. I hope that you've been having a wonderful week. So today we're going to be going back in time. I'm going to be reviewing some products that are vintage. Well, obviously they're not like hundreds of years old, but they're based on like vintage products, and I'm so excited. This was gifted to me by Besame Cosmetics. So happy that they sent them over. They are really something worth checking out. So yeah, hold on, we're going to get into that. Before we do, my name is Ranita and I love doing makeup videos. I'm just, very passionate about makeup and trying different kinds of things, and today was definitely, something new. It was fun, and I'm very excited to share it with you. So if you like the video, remember to subscribe and drop a comment below. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I hope that you find this fun, and if you're a Downton Abbey lover, then join the club, because yeah, I decided to do this mainly because of Downton Abbey. Like, I know that they don't dress like flappers, but yeah, it was inspired by that, and I just love vintage things, so here we are. Okay, so we're going to start with the unboxing, and then I'm going to show you a couple of swatches, and then we're going to get into the tutorial and my final thoughts. So I'll see you at the unboxing. And this is what it looks like inside. Look at this. I love this postcard. It looks so beautiful. And this is the message that they have sent to me. I love handwritten messages, and I'm just so grateful that they took the time to, personalize this card. Hope you love and enjoy these products. I'm definitely going to be following them on Instagram. I have wanted to try these for forever because I absolutely love everything vintage. So this is definitely going to be a total fun video that we're going to be doing today, and I can't wait to show you what they've sent, and I'm so excited to see for myself as well. Okay, so I love the fact that they've put red in here. It just adds something to it. Okay, so oh my god. Okay, so the first product is the Cake Mascara. How amazing is this? It looks so beautiful. I absolutely love the packaging, and it says over here that the applicator is inside as well. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like inside. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Okay, so here it comes with the instructions. So you can use the Cake Mascara for your brows as liner, or even for your lashes. Okay, that's really cool. So it's activated with water to beautify lashes and brows by making them appear longer, darker, and more luxuriant. Okay. So, okay, yeah, so they've basically given you detailed instructions over here, on how you can use it in 2 different languages. So I'll be going through that later. This is what the product currently looks like. It's really beautiful. I love how vintage it is. It's really a gorgeous product. And at the back over here it says Cake Mascara Black. But yeah, I'm just really loving the packaging. It is so pretty. I'm just gonna open it and show you. Oh, okay, so this is it, and this is the cute little applicator in there, and you can see that the product in itself is wrapped up, and it looks really cute. So I'm really loving that. Okay, so they have sent 3 of their lipsticks, which I'm totally excited to actually try out. And these are the 3 shades. I've got Wild Orchid, Red Hot Red, and then Besame Red. I'm really excited to try their lipsticks because I know that they're really beautiful. Just look at the packaging right over here on the postcard, and they are so well packaged. I just love the packaging. It is so vintage. Even these stickers over here that tell you the shades are replicas of colors. I just love that. So this is a shade from 1959, and this over here is from 1920. So yeah, very excited to try all of these beautiful shades. I'm going to start by opening Wild Orchid. So this is what the lipstick looks like. Oh, it's very lightweight, by the way, and there's also an instruction manual over here. So they actually give you full lipstick instructions, which I think is really cool. They tell you how to prep your lips, and then they even tell you how to correct it, how many coats of lipstick to actually put on your mouth as well. I'm going to be following their method for this look, just to be as true to their method and their products as possible. Okay, so this is what the first shade looks like, Wild Orchid. Let's take a look. I'm so excited to see how these lipsticks actually look like. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful shade. Just look at that. I absolutely love it. I know that I'm definitely going to be using this shade many times because it's just such a pretty one. And I love the shape of the lipstick as well. This over here is the shade Besame Red, so I'm going to open this one and show her to you as well. Very excited to see what it looks like. It's sealed very, very carefully, so I just don't want to spoil the product. Okay, got it out. Alright, so this is the 1920s shade that was actually created. How amazing is that? Oh, and look, the lipstick actually has an imprint. I didn't see that on the first shade because I didn't open it up that much, but you can see it's got the name Besame right over there. How lovely. But yeah, I'm really, really loving this beautiful shade, and I can definitely see myself wearing this like again and again. Let's check out the last shade. Okay, this is the last shade that Besame has sent me. They sent me Red Hot Red, which is a replica of a 1959 shade. So I'm going to open that and we're going to take a look at that. Also a very, very beautiful red. Okay, and I think that that imprint that they do on the lipstick is something they do for all their lipsticks, because we can see that they've done it here too. And I like this shade very, very much as well. So I'm just really, really happy with all of these shades. I think they're very, very beautiful. And let's go and see what else they've sent me. And I can see that they've sent some stickers, which I really, really think are adorable. So I've got a lipstick sticker, and then I've got this mascara cake sticker, and then they sent another one, and then of course the actual brand name itself. I love all of these. I'm going to be treasuring them. And inside they have sent me 2 pairs of lashes. Oh, how lovely. Okay, I'm super excited about this one, the Roaring 20s. Let's look at the detail on the lashes right over there. Really, really looking forward to wearing that. And then we have this Portrait of a Lady. 1 pair of lashes. Okay, yeah, so I can see myself wearing both of these. And I love the graphics as well that they've kind of put behind all of this. It says Made in China. Besame Cosmetics by Gabriela Hernandez. So yeah, these are lovely. Very, very well done. I love the packaging. I'm kind of obsessed with the packaging actually. I just love vintage stuff, and I'm so grateful that they've sent all this to me. So now let's go ahead and create the look using this. I'm going to obviously be doing a 1920s inspired look, so we're going to start with this. The first shade is Besame Red, then Red Hot Red, and Wild Orchid. So over here you can see that Red Hot Red definitely is more fiery, and they're all really beautiful shades. Okay, so I've kind of like drawn my eyebrows, making them a little bit more arched than I normally would. I need to go in and clean it up and make it thinner because this is a 1920s look, so I'm going to be doing that with my foundation, and I'm going to be using like a brush to do that as well. But I'm going to then go over it with the Besame mascara, which is the one you can see over here. It's water activated, and I just want to try it out on my brows, and I'm also going to be using them for my lashes. So let's just go ahead and do that. Yeah, so this is the foundation I'm using, which is the Sephora Best Skin foundation. I really like it. So I'm going to put a little bit on my brush. Okay, so this is what my brows are looking like after going up and, you know, after going in and just touching them up a bit. I tried to maintain that arch as much as possible, but it's a little bit tough for me. But anyway, we're going to go in with the mascara cake. So this is my first time using the Besame mascara cake. They've even given me an applicator, and they've basically given instructions as well. They said only add 1 drop of water. So I'm going to do that. And I need to open up the mascara cake as well, which has been wrapped up like this. You can see this. I've added the 1 drop of water, and I'm going to take the applicator now, and I'm going to just mix that very, very gently. I'm going to be using that for my brows. They said not to like put too much, so I don't want to, you know, overdo it. And it's so pretty as well that it's got like the Besame logo stamped onto that, which I thought is pretty cool. New experience. Okay, so makeup's going to be relatively simple. What I'm going to be doing is using a shade very similar to the color of my eyes to kind of make it smoky, because as you could probably see from that diagram, that's what it said. And I have to do like light eyeliner. So I kind of went in a little bit with my Woosh Beauty face palette and, you know, kind of like put the base on my eyes, and I'm just going to go in and draw some eyeliner. So I'm going to keep it very, very simple like this, simply because didn't see very big wings in that photo. I saw more emphasis on eyelashes and a smoky look, so I'm gonna have to go in there and smoke it up now. Okay, so this is what my eyes are looking like at the moment. I've, tried to make them as smoky as I possibly could, so I'm just gonna show you a close-up. So I'm going to now use the mascara on my eyelashes. Okay, so I'm just taking the brush. I've added that 1 drop of water. You don't need a lot of water for this thing. And it gives it a very nice, gentle kind of mascara look. Oh dear, God, went onto my eye there. Okay. It's not hard to use though. I think I actually like using it as a mascara. It's quite nice. It's very natural looking. I'm going to be applying these lashes on as well. Alright, so I just wore the 1920s lashes. These are so cool. I really love them. They're so different, and I did have to cut them a little bit to make them fit my eye, but I really think that they are so cool. I absolutely love them. Right, so this is what my face is looking like at the moment, and I've basically done my foundation, my contouring, everything, and now I'm going to do my blush. So according to that photo, they put it like somewhere down here, so I'm going to be following the same thing. Alright, so to stay as true as possible to the look, I'm using the shade Besame Red, which is a replica of a true color from the 1920s. That's what's written on the box over here. And this is, what the shade looks like. It's a really, really pretty red. Okay, so this is what my mouth is looking like after correcting it several times. I tried my absolute best to kind of, cut the lip to kind of emphasize my Cupid's bow, and I hope that it's being emphasized. I don't know if I've done this right, but yeah, this is what it's looking like. The lipstick looks amazing. I love the color. Totally see myself wearing this. This is definitely a very, very me color, so I'm very happy with it. And yeah, this is the rest of my face. Very, very minimal makeup. And now I'm gonna come back and show you the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look. And it was quite easy to do. It didn't take me a long time. I didn't use too many products either, so I was kind of happy. It's a very, very simple, easy to do look. So let's just run through the details. For the lipstick, I decided to stick to 1920s because, as you can see, this is a flapper look. And yes, those are real peacock feathers. They're so pretty though, and I like them. So I used the shade Besame Red, which is a really fiery red. Just look at that. I didn't even know that they used this kind of color in the 1920s, but it's so pretty, so I can't blame them. I absolutely love the shade. So this lipstick has just stayed on my mouth for like a few hours now because, I've been doing stuff like the photo shoot and so on and so forth, so it has been on my mouth for like at least 2 hours now, and it's lasted. I haven't had to touch it up. It's very moisturizing. It's definitely not a drying lipstick, which I'm really grateful for, and I just love the way it looks on my skin tone. So like I said, very, very minimal makeup. I went in with a blush, so that blush was the Oden's Eye Alva Flower Blusher, and I used the BH brow pencil to kind of just get myself an outline, and I was trying really hard to make my brows as thin as possible. I hope that this suffices for the 1920s. I really have no clue, but I had fun. And yeah, this is their mascara cake, which is such a cool product. Obviously, like, I really thought that it was quite simple to use. I found it a little difficult to do my brows with it, maybe because it's it's like a wide brush, and it was a little difficult for me to like apply it the first time, but I think over time you can definitely like learn how to make it work for you. So that's like the applicator brush in there. I only had to add about 1 drop of water to get the cake to kind of like activated, and then it went onto my eyes and onto my brows, and it stayed there. I have not even applied setting powder or setting spray or anything, so you can see how it's working. It's really, really great. So for the rest of it, like the contouring and the foundation and everything, deciding, I ended up going back to some of my favorites. So I used Sephora The Best Skin Ever for like the brownish color that I wanted. I did use Colourpop's, you know, foundation stick. I really like using that here and here to kind of brighten the inner corners of my eyes up. And I also went in with Woosh Beauty. So Woosh Beauty is actually the face palette, the medium one. I used the black shade from there to kind of give myself the smoky flapper look. So I did that, and then, you know, I kind of used some of their other products like the contouring, and then like step number 5, I used that brown to kind of go and set, you know, my eyes after I had done my entire look. So how have the products worked so far? I actually really love them. I'm so impressed with them. I love the designs, like, you know, of all of this. Like, the designs is so beautiful. It really makes me feel like I'm going back in time. So I really wanted to do like a vintage look because of that, and I'm so grateful to Besame for sending these products over. All in all, I really enjoyed working with these products. Definitely so new, so unique to the market, you know, like it's just unlike any other brand, and I just loved it. Like, I loved it. It just was so much fun to try something new. The last product that I want to talk about are the lashes. So these lashes are so freaking cool, you know, just look at them. Like, it is absolutely fascinating to me. So unique. I just love how unique it is. I felt like it went with this whole flapper theme like perfectly. So yeah, very happy with everything that I've tried. Would highly recommend. It's a different kind of experience. The lipsticks are amazing. Like, you can see this red. I love this red. I would wear this red all the time. Like, it is probably like my new favorite lipstick. It's just so beautiful, and I love it. So yeah, that's all that I have to say for today. I hope that you had fun doing this video with me, and I will see you very soon for another one. Until then, I hope that you stay safe. Lots of love from me to you. Take care.